Welcome back to 75Dually Garage. Today, we're on a mission, right?
Yes, we are.
Sweet! Stay tuned. We're going to have a blast. Alright, to give you an idea of what we're doing today, we are on a hunt for a Cadillac front end for an OBS truck. We're doing a truck called Throwback, and Kenny's doing that. Kind of see him right back there, and he's getting ready to tear that front end apart, and I will help him. But this is a pretty cool project, and we're going to be following that here on the channel. So stay tuned for that and watch us tear this thing apart. Okay, you know when you're in the junkyard and you see a bunch of sheep, it's going to be a good day. Alright, so let's tell you about what we're doing today. This truck over here was a 99 through 2000 Escalade, and we wanted the front clip off of it for Kenny's project. So let me show you the parts that we got today. First of all, we have the hood, and that thing is in super shape. Then we have the driver's side fender, passenger side fender, the bumper, and the grill. These are all in fantastic shape. This was kind of the unicorn or the best thing in the 90s for the mini truck guys, and man, we're doing this throwback 90s themed truck. It's going to be fantastic. All these parts are really going to make this project shine.
When we got back from the junkyard today, we did some trimming on the inner fenders, and then we bolted the entire front clip up to see what it would look like. Man, was I impressed. Kenny was impressed too. Here's what Kenny's truck will look like when it's all done. Man, I cannot wait until Throwback is finished.